Is overthinking become a problem for you and reducing your productivity? Then this video is definitely for you. Namaste, I'm Neha Jaiswal and welcome to my channel. On this channel, you will find everything related to your health, your wellness, especially your emotional wellness, which can bring you in a state where you are free from lifestyle diseases. So, no more talking. I want you to experience this 5 minutes guided meditation, which can reduce your overthinking. What you just need a quiet place to sit, put on your headphones, and just do this 5 minutes of meditation. So, let's begin. Just relax yourself and listen to this music for a few seconds. The birds sound, the sound of flute music, and water, the sound of water. All these sounds are having healing energy in them. So try to listen for a few seconds without analyzing anything. Just listen. Yourself. Bring your awareness to your chest. Relax your chest. Bring your awareness to your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Awareness to your neck. Relax your neck. Bring your awareness on your eyes and relax your eyes. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your head. Completely relax. Favorite place, mountain or beach? I want you to choose one, mountains or beach, and imagine you're sitting there in this meditative state. Where there is fresh air, natural beauty all around you. divine, it is healing, it is peaceful. I want you to feel this energy around your body, the energy of peace, the energy of happiness, in short, experience Shanti. And now I want you to inhale in such a way where you are inhaling this peace, this Shanti inside your body, and exhaling what you don't want. Relax. Once again, inhale the peace in your body. Exhale and relax. There is abundance of this peace, the Shanti all around you. So again, inhale in a way that you want to grab as much as possible. And exhale, relax. Once again, inhale as much as possible. Exhale and relax. This peace, the Shanti I'm talking about, is all available free of cost. Let's grab one more time. Take a deep breath, inhale, and inhale the peace. Feel it in your entire body. Exhale, relax. Relax. Just relax. I want you to forget about your breathing. Just be aware of your body. Come back to this space, come back to this room, and gently bring both your hands into Namaste in front of your chest and repeat after me. No matter what, I will be taken care of. No matter what, my family will be taken care of. Now gently rub your palms, generate heat. Rub nicely and place both your hands on your eyes, on your face. Slowly bring your palms in front of your face, open your eyes, look at your palms with a smile. I hope you have done that, and I want to know how are you feeling right now. So please put your comments below in the comment box. I want to understand, did it help you? I'm sure it has. So before ending this video, I would like to add that overthinking is not good for your health. Yes, don't underestimate overthinking. It can manifest diseases like high blood pressure, kidney problems, or digestion issues. It can also lead to diabetes. It can also lead to many other problems in the body. Okay, please do not underestimate overthinking. Use this powerful tool whenever you need. Okay, and I am also conducting an emotional mastery masterclass. If you're interested, there is a link in the description below. You can click and you can join my free masterclass just to help you understand how emotions are triggering lifestyle diseases and how you can become emotionally free. See you there. Thank you so much.